fine.
You want- I feel like it's Christmas.
Yes,
They
that's how
still
you
just.
open it. Oh, ow.
Ew.
Oh shit!
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Yes, let me open. I don't want to destroy them.
No, you're not. It's made very well. They're made very well, so you could open it.
Oh my God, Ron, shit out of these.
Classy, huh?
That's nice, Ron.
Classy packaging. Who?
That's nice.
You gotta be recording this so I can share
I
this
sure
on my
am.
thing. You gotta send me the.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh wow!
Play who?
Reversible.
Play who?
Listen, guys, this y'all got to order from a
Oh,
boy.
open it up. So you can
Zebulon.
Crawford Designs, baby. That label is the label is on the red side, baby. Ah.
And you know red is my favorite color.
Ah.
But look, I got pockets that
Ah.
Ooh, it smells good. My favorite side, my side right here.
So yeah, you're gonna have to. Somebody's gonna probably have to help you to put it in the other side. Your left strap goes into the right D ring.
No.
The left?
Your left
right.
strap goes
Oh
into
my
your
God.
right D ring. It's okay. And then your right strap goes into the left D ring.
He's screen recording.
It's okay. Take your time. This is real. This is real life. It happens. There you go.
Around the back. This.
Ah.
Ow!
Ow, baby. Fit. Okay. That means you
Ow.
could and it's custom, so that means you can eat a full plate and still wear it and look good, okay? Ah.
Yo, Ronnie, that is fucking nice.
Yes, sir. Kip, yours is in I sent 2 reversibles because I know that you'll be on the grill. So yours is in there too. Ow.
Look at the side right here. Say that. Look at that.
Zebulon Crawford Designs, baby. I am not playing. You love it?
Ew.
Ow. Pockets is perfect.
It's a must buy, guys. Must buy.
Must buy.
See the logo? See the logo?
Customized.
Look at the logo on the truck.
On the truck. That's what I want to see. Now, when y'all come to Florida, look for Little Bits, New York. You will see the logo on the truck. You will definitely see Shakima and Kip. Oh, and they are out there rocking Zebulon Crawford Designs. You better get into it because it's going to fit.
They're very durable. It's nice and tough.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good fucking job, Ronnie.
Thank you, Kip. Thank y'all. Yes, it is.
Size person, whether you're big or small.
Right.
Listen, got some of these.
Those are nice.
You're welcome. So there's 2 reversibles. There's 2 reversibles, and then there's 2 red and just 2 solid black. So that's for your other workers or like people who are running the cash register and stuff like that. So.
And it smells delicious. It came and smelled.
That's what my house smells like.
So happy, thank you.
You're welcome, Shakima.
Pump these, honey.
I know you are.
I'm gonna go around all the food trucks and I'm gonna show
as you should.
Just some of these.
As you should.
So all your contact. Oh, and he made a T-shirt.
Oh, and the T-shirt is right there.
My T-shirt as well.
Yep.
Listen, get your order on.
Okay.
I did. Hey.
Love you so much, Shakima. I'm so glad that you're happy. Have a wonderful day. God is gonna work on that back. You heard?
Make sure this video so I can post it.
Oh, I am. I'm gonna actually inbox it to you so that you can send it. So you can post it too. Love you. Ow.
Oh, I'm very happy.
I'm so grateful. Thank you, God. Love you.
Fire.
That's right.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole there.
Thank you. Let me put these back in here, honey, because listen. Oh, he said, take mine out, honey.
Right. Kip is ready. His should be the one. His should be the one right up under yours.
I
Ah,
just snatched it. I
babe.
just snatched it.
But didn't I tell you was gonna love it?
Oh my
I
God.
told you.
Oh my.
I told you was gonna
Thank
love it. Cause that's why I was so hyped.
God.
I'm like, I want them to give you your stuff and stop playing
I
with
was
me.
jewelry and stuff was on, but it's all
Girl,
right because I'm
please. All they need to know is Little Bits is ready to serve, okay? Ah.
oh, that part.
Your
All
logo,
right.
baby, when I got your logo, when they sent it to
I'm, listen, I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna keep it in my car, so when I pass food trucks, I can just stop and
get out and be like,
advertise
hey, yep,
all the information that I need to pass to them, so they
right.
can get their order.
Oh,
I got you.
love you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Yes,
Enjoy your day.
$30 an apron, honey.
Ah, better know it. I love
That,
Bye, Keep. Enjoy your day.
I will. Thank you so much.
Bye.
All right.